Welcome back to another update on the Bitcoin price, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, Bitcoin is consolidating still into this channel over here. So we came from the downtrend over here directly into the consolidation tunnel over here. And very interesting fact, this is the weekly chart, as you can see, is that we are actually making the higher lows constantly. And that's very good for the Bitcoin because that could mean some sort of a uptrend, or let's say preparation for that uptrend. The bad thing is that we are below 20 exponential weekly moving average, but we still did not diminish the previous low over here. So this is the weekly chart, and that's very important to understand. Also, onto the RSI, we are above 14 moving average over here on the weekly chart, and as well, very interesting thing is happening on the MACD. The MACD is trying to convert to the bullish side over here. We are still seeing some sort of a resistance from the bulls, and probably in the next weeks we may actually see uptrend to the upside. Who knows, maybe in the next 2 to 3 weeks that will happen. Getting back to the daily chart, the MACD is fading over here, or let's say bearishness on the MACD is fading onto the histogram, which is telling us that we may actually see the new uptrend into this consolidation tunnel. Also, my vacation, I took vacation, so I didn't post videos for the 14 days, was actually here, so nothing big changed because we actually just continue consolidating into this tunnel. That's all. Very important thing is that we did not break level of support over here. However, I do believe that there is a possibility, slight possibility, for the retest of this level of support. That would be also very positive because the tunnel would mean something. You can see that every single time Bitcoin retouched this tunnel except over here. However, this little pump over here could be the continuation for this dump to this level over here. So make sure to observe that if we dump a little bit, approximately on 38.9, that could be actually it, and then we may bounce up, or we may just continue to the upside. So I believe that the Bitcoin right now is trying to establish the new rally to the upside. I wouldn't like to see something like this, ladies and gentlemen, because that would postpone our bull market. So nothing too big is happening in the previous days. However, we do have upside consolidation. So it is boring time. I do understand you. I know that there are many frustrated people. I did video on the Apollo currency yesterday about this, and as you can see, many are frustrated because we are still not moving from this tunnel. People want volatility and aggressive buying and selling like we had over here, we are not seeing that right now. We are seeing something like we had over here. I think this was the summer. You saw that we dumped from the $65,000, and then we had a consolidation from 19 May all the way up to the 23rd July. However, this time is way too long. It is happening again. So this is the phase where Bitcoin has a consolidation phase. Usually we have the uptrend, then we have the downtrend, then we have the consolidation. Such things are happening in the markets all the time. So right now we are into the consolidation, into the stagnation in the price a little bit. It's pretty much boring time. Now, just to mention the monthly chart is going to be very important. As you can see, 20 exponential monthly moving average over here is still below us, and that's actually positive and good sign, because as long as the Bitcoin is standing around and above this line over here, this is the monthly chart, so it takes months to play out, we may actually see big uptrend. Bitcoin is going to retest this for the 4th time, as you can see already, and so far successfully we are holding above, and hopefully at the end of this month we can hold above this moving average, which could also initiate next month push to the upside. So definitely observe that, and don't ignore moving average onto the monthly chart. You can see that we chilled into the very positive zone over here into the RSI. So we are below level of 70, above level of 50. That's positive, that's healthy sign and signal for the uptrend as well. And also the MACD is still into the bearish side. However, I wouldn't take MACD way too serious onto the monthly chart, because it's not it's not too precise, so I wouldn't take it in consideration. This could very well and very easily just cross to the bullish side, as you can see over here, and then we could just spike to the upside. So I wouldn't take MACD so serious onto the monthly chart of the Bitcoin. So I think this is it for this episode. The thing that you should take from this video is to chill a little bit from the crypto space and the Bitcoin if you're frustrated about the price, because we have that phase of the Bitcoin price which is called consolidation, and that's totally normal because people are right now not so interested into the Bitcoin and buying the Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, and this is pretty much a risky driven asset market, whatever you want to call it. So make sure to have some patience, have some faith as well into the Bitcoin and into the cryptocurrency space, which is the future, as we all know. And until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.